So now second question, page number 302. In this question, a tree is broken due to storm. Due to storm, a tree is broken partly. Then this broken part touches the ground and making an angle 30 degrees with ground. Once again I am telling, a tree is broken due to storm and the broken part touches the ground making an angle 30 degrees with the ground. And the distance between foot of the tree and the top of the tree touches the ground is 6 meters. The foot of the tree and top of the tree touches the ground, the distance between these two is 6 meters. The broken part touches the ground, making an angle 30 degrees with the ground. Okay. Then find the height of the tree before falling. This is the question. You have to read twice, thrice, till you have to understand. Then try to draw the diagram. This is only one major point in application of trigonometry. If you know the concept, the meaning of the question, the answer will be in your hand only. So here one tree is there. Due to storm, the tree is broken, partly broken. This broken part touches the ground. The distance between this top of the tree to foot of the tree is 6 meters. The broken part making an angle here with the ground is 30 degrees. Then find the height of the tree before falling down. This is the question. After reading them, go for diagram. So this is height of the tree before falling. This is the AB is the height of the tree before falling. Let C be the broken point. C be the broken point. This is ground. This is ground. So this here broken point, this point will be touches the ground here like this. So let the point be D. So this is broken part. This bends touches the ground here D. The angle made by the tree with ground is 30 degrees. 30 degrees. And the distance between foot of the tree and the broken part is 6 meters. 6 meters. Then we have to find the height of the tree before falling. This is the question. So here right angle triangle is formed as usual. As usual, right angle triangle is formed. This is the angle, this is adjacent, this is opposite. This is opposite side. This is hypotenuse. What we have to find here? Here he is asking the height of the tree before falling. Means this part plus this part. By adding these two, this before height they will come. Okay? So now we are going to do this one. What is given data? I am writing here. Let AB be tree before falling. C be breaking point. Angle made by tree with ground, comma, angle, here angle made at D. So D should be in middle. The remaining two sides we can write in any manner. Angle CDA is equal to 30 degrees. Distance between foot of tree and top of tree on ground, comma, AD is equal to 6 meters. So first we have to find this opposite side, after that hypotenuse. From diagram, from triangle ADC, to find opposite side, here given known value is adjacent. So opposite adjacent means tan. Tan theta is equal to opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Here what is the angle? Tan 30. Tan 30 degrees is equal to, here opposite side means AC by adjacent means AD. Tan 30 means 1 by root 3 is equal to, what is the value of AC? AC means AC by 6. So here 6 is division, it will come this side means multiplication. So otherwise I will write like this, AC by 6 is equal to 1 by root 3. AC is equal to 6 is division, here it means multiplication. 6 by root 3 meters. Next, opposite side came. Then we have to find hypotenuse. Adjacent known, hypotenuse we have to find. Adjacent hypotenuse. What formula? Cos formula. So, cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here, cos 30 degrees is equal to, adjacent means AD by DC. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2 is equal to, AD means 6 by DC means hypotenuse, DC itself. So DC is a division, it will come this side, multiplication. Root 3 DC is equal to 2 into 6, 12. DC is equal to 12 by root 3 meters. So DC came, AC came. By adding these two, our answer will come. The height of the tree before falling means this one plus this one. So height of tree before falling is equal to AC plus CD. What is the value of AC? 6 by root 3 plus CD means 12 by root 3. See here, denominator is same. So we have to add directly. We have to write the denominator. Add 6 plus 12, that is equal to 18 by root 3. So this is answer, but generally in denominator we not end with irrational number. Note this point. In denominator generally the answer should not end with irrational number. Root 3 is irrational number. So we have to convert this one to rational number. So like this, to find 18 by root 3, if I multiply with root 3 into root 3 means 3 will come, that is rational number. So to multiply on root 3, I have also multiply here numerator also. So 18 root 3 by 3, root 3 into root 3, root of 9 means 3. 3 ones 3, 6. That is equal to 6 root 3. Therefore, height of tree before falling is equal to 6 root 3 meters.